Hello everyone, I am the Watch Gent. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a watch I have just purchased, the Citizen Brycen. Before I start, I would like to thank everyone who has liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel. I have not been doing this for very long and it is greatly appreciated, so thank you very much. Before I start, I'll just do a quick wristwatch check. So today I've got my Hamilton khaki automatic on. It's 42mm and it's on this lovely Zulu diver watch strap. So this is a watch that does get worn quite a lot. As you can see, it is quite heavily scratched. So let's unbox the watch and see what's inside. As you can see, the outer box is made of recycled paper and it's pretty basic, which is to be expected for a watch of this price range. Inside you can see information about the guarantee on the watch, which is 5 years, also plus an extra extended 1 year if you register the watch online. Inside the box you get a small booklet which is the guarantee information and settings instructions, and also some additional information on how to register the watch online. I'll just put this box out of the way and move on to the main watch box. So the main watch box is this plain black cylinder, which is pretty basic. On the bottom of the box you get some information the same as the outer box, saying that the box is made of recycled paper and also to recycle the box if not being used. So onto the watch. This is the Citizen Brycen Eco-Drive Chronograph. It has a very retro racing design, which is the main reason I bought the watch. So the reference number for this watch is the CA0649-06X, and the watch comes with a caliber B612 movement. So the watch has a screw down case back which shows the Citizen Eco-Drive emblem in the middle. The watch also states that the watch is 10 bar water resistant and has a Japanese movement. The dial is more cream than white. I think this goes better with the black subdial and the orange hands for the stopwatch function. You also get a rally style watch strap which is made of brown leather. The approximate dimensions of the watch are as follows. The case size is 44mm, the case depth is 12mm, and the lug width is 22mm. The case is made of stainless steel and it has lovely brushed sides. This gives it a classic tool watch feel. So to activate the stopwatch function, all you need to do is press the top pusher button, and to pause it, just press it again. When you press the bottom button, it resets the stopwatch hands. The time and date function can easily be adjusted using the crown wheel. So my only real criticism at the moment is the date window is quite small and the background is in black as well. So this can make the actual date quite hard to read. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.